Best 5 Safari's Hidden Tricks of 2024. Safari is Apple's default web browser on the Mac, iPhone, and iPad, which results in you may take for granted. Currently, Safari has a couple of features that make it easier to read content on the internet. Even if you prefer other browsers, such as Chrome or Firefox, Apple has been enhancing Safari with each passing year. And in 2024, it's shown some interesting hidden tricks that might entice you to ditch your other options. According to a step-by-step guide, users should follow the instructions for the best Safari hidden tricks worth trying. First, tap and hold onto the AA icon to enjoy a clean, ad-free article experience in Safari. Customize the background color and font as per your preference. Number 2, save entire web pages as PDFs by taking a screenshot of the page in Safari. Number 3, copy subjects from photos by tapping and holding them, then paste them without a background in Safari. Number 4, close all tabs at once by tapping and holding on to the Done button in Safari instead of closing them individually. Number 5, personalize Safari by tapping on Edit at the bottom and setting any background of your choice.